Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is something that I think is super cool and I picked up for a really great deal. Alright, so we're pretty much going to call this my pseudo unboxing and first 24 hours with this device. So I picked this device up used in new condition. That's why you see it in this package and not the regular retail package. So what I'm getting ready to unbox and give you guys and gals my 24-hour first impressions of is the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active. That's right. I picked this up via Amazon and I got it at a really great price, and it is used in good condition. So it didn't come with the retail packaging or any of that, but it still came with the micro USB charging cable and the charging brick. Okay, and I don't even think this is the official brick. This is just a Samsung brick, as y'all can see there. Boom. Alright, but yeah, I've actually been using this device for a little bit over 24 hours, and I realized I didn't give y'all a first impressions or anything, so I figured I'd remedy that. So this is everything that came in the package, and here is the device. Alright, and to be honest with y'all, I was very surprised by this one here, because the description on Amazon said that this device would have a bunch of scratches on it and be very scuffed up. And to be honest with y'all, I don't know if my camera is doing it justice, but this thing looks in almost brand new condition. We got a little bit of scratches down here by the charging port. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but other than that, it looks practically brand new, y'all. And other than the battery health, it's pretty much a brand new device, and I was very surprised. I picked this up from the seller on Amazon, the what was it, Edge Cellular. I'll throw the link down in the description, and I'll throw the screenshot up so y'all can see exactly what I paid for this. And yeah, so this literally came in, I think it was 10:30 yesterday morning, and I set it up, I charged it up, and I've been using it. And y'all are gonna see some videos hit the channel directly after this video goes live, and all of those videos was either shot with this device or it was shot with the Moto G7, which is what I'm shooting this first impressions with now. Okay, so y'all let me know what you think. But getting into the first impressions with the device now, I have to say I really am enjoying this device. Alright, now it's all set up. I have all of my main apps in it, and it's all set up and it's ready to go. And the really neat thing is, this is the Active series. I've always been a big fan of Samsung, especially when they come out with the Active variant of their devices. I've been a little sad that it was always AT&T exclusives until the S8 Active, but I was able to get a really good deal on this, as y'all saw via the screenshot, and I figured why not. And honestly, y'all probably gonna see another generation of this device as well, because I got a really great deal on that as well. So y'all will see that come to the channel. I'm not gonna tell you which one it is. We're gonna make that a surprise, but y'all be on the lookout for that. Okay, but talking about the first impressions, it's really good. Now it's really smooth. Now I will say this: it's running on Android 7.0 Nougat, so it does have the old TouchWiz UI interface, which I'm kind of not a fan of. And being as it was an AT&T exclusive, it did come with a bunch of AT&T bloat apps, as you can see right there, most of which I've uninstalled or folded. Okay, but this is a GSM unlocked device, and I've tested it with T-Mobile. Y'all can see the text now icon right there. And I do have the text now sim in right now. So you can see that T-Mobile right there. I've tested it with T-Mobile, and I've tested it with AT&T, which I have via Free Up Mobile, and it works no problem. So really, really good stuff there. And honestly, y'all, I think I'm going to really enjoy this device. Okay? Alright, so first impressions, it seems to be really solid. And I've taken some photos with it already, and I've done some videos, which y'all can see live on the channel now. I'll probably link them down below. If I don't, they'll be the next ones you see popping up on the channel. So it's taken some really great photos so far, and it's taken some really great video. And the audio on it is really, really good. So I gotta say, I'm very pleased indeed. And aside from the UI, I think it's gonna serve me well. Now, I can't really talk about battery health or anything like that because it's literally, I haven't even finished priming the battery yet. It's gotten one full charge, and that's it. So I'll talk about the battery life and the battery health during the full review. So y'all be on the lookout for that. And honestly, I think my full review of this is probably going to take me about 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks from the posting of this video. So y'all be on the lookout for that. Alright, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick pseudo unboxing and first 24-hour impressions with the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active. I'm going to be real interested to see how this device can hold up in 2019. I think I'm going to enjoy it. Anyways, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, because you never really know what's going to happen when I push record, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. All the links to where y'all can get this device at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So if this video piqued your interest and you're like, yo, E, where can I get one of those at a really good price? All the links for that will be available down below in the video description. So the video description will literally be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, this whole video, as I already mentioned, was recorded with the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Moto G7, and I believe it's in 1080p at 30 FPS. All the audio for this video is being recorded via the Comica V30 Lite shotgun style microphone. So please let me know what y'all think of the overall video quality and audio quality. And I do apologize for the lighting. I had to do my best here. And if I turn off the onboard light on the cameras, y'all gonna see how dark the actual scene is. So I do apologize if y'all see a lot of glare. I do the best I can with what I have. Anyways, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone.
Perfect.